All right, so we finally made it to the Mighty Bar in Cozumel, and let me tell you, this place is a total vibe. Clear water, colorful fish, and we didn't even have to get on a boat. This might just be the best snorkeling spot in Cozumel. The Mighty Bar is a laid-back beach club with easy water access, perfect for snorkeling from the shore. It's so peaceful down here, all you hear is your own breathing. It's free to snorkel at the Mighty Bar. You just need to buy food or drinks. Not a bad deal for paradise. This spot is awesome because you can literally grab a drink, chill on the beach, and then just walk into the water to snorkel. We did bring our own gear, but they do have rentals if you need them. It's super easy. Bring water shoes because the rocks near the shore can be slippery. Snorkeling here kind of feels like you're in a giant tropical aquarium, except better, because there's guacamole and margaritas when you get out. I could literally float here all day. I mean, who needs a spa when you've got this, right? Here's a pro tip. Bring a rash guard or a t-shirt if you're snorkeling for a while, because the sun is no joke. We were there in February, and once the sun came up, it was pretty brutal. If you're not a strong swimmer, don't worry about it. The current is super chill and you can stick close to the shore. This was hands down one of the easiest and coolest snorkel spots we have been to. Let us know if you have been to the Mighty Bar or if you have a favorite snorkeling spot. We would love to check it out. And hey, if you liked floating through this fish-filled paradise with us, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We've got more island adventures coming your way.